Hey, it's Dustin, Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace this door seal on this Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other great manufacturer brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump in. The door seal on a dryer door is a soft material that is used to create a seal between the door and the front panel of the appliance. The seal helps hold the hot air in the drum before it exits through the exhaust vent. If the seal becomes loose or damaged, air may escape through the door opening, causing a poor drying experience. If your door seal is damaged, loose, or missing, it should be replaced. When you shop to replace your damaged door seal, don't be tempted by online stores that sell cheap, knockoff parts with adhesive that isn't designed for high temperatures. Head to PartsDoctor.com and search with your model number to be sure you get the exact part that will fit properly and will last for years to come. Some tools you might need for this repair are a flat blade screwdriver, any standard pliers, a plastic putty knife or something to scrape the adhesive off, obviously your adhesive, and also your favorite cleaner and some paper towels. Open the dryer door and find any damaged or loose portion of the seal to start the seal removal process. If you do not have a loose section of the seal to begin pulling the seal up, use your flat blade screwdriver to slowly peel back a corner of the seal. Be sure to try not to scrape or scratch the appliance paint in the process. Once you get a small section of the seal peeled away from the dryer door, use the pliers or your hands to slowly work the seal off the door. Discard the old seal once it's removed from the door. If you need to purchase a new door seal, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones we sell on our website, PartsDoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search with your model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you're getting the correct part. When you purchase your door seal, don't forget your high temperature adhesive as it is sold separately. We'll leave a link in the description below. Use a plastic putty knife or something similar to remove the leftover adhesive. While it's not necessary to remove all of the old adhesive, you want to use the putty knife blade to remove any of the glue that is loose to make the surface as smooth as possible. Use your favorite spray cleaner and a towel to clean the groove of the door where the new seal and adhesive will go. You want to be sure that the cleaner that you're using will not leave behind a residue. The door groove should be as smooth and clean as possible. Before applying the adhesive, dry fit the new seal to the door. The seal should stretch to fit around the oval and in the groove of the door. Apply a thin but even bead of high temperature adhesive all around the groove. Be sure to wipe up any adhesive that gets applied outside of the groove. The adhesive will dry quickly and is very hard to remove. Find the seam on the door seal and apply it to the base of the door opposite of the door latch. Press the seam of the seal into the groove and stretch the seal around the door, being careful not to allow it to pop out. After you get the seal in place, use your fingers to press the seal into the door channel. Keep the dryer door open for 24 hours to allow the adhesive to dry. If you have any excess adhesive residue, use the plastic putty knife to scrape it off the dryer door. Be careful not to damage the new seal or the paint on the appliance. After the door seal has had 24 hours to dry, check to make sure that the entire seal is attached to the door. If there's a loose portion, gently peel it back and apply more adhesive behind it and press it into place. Allow 24 hours for the adhesive to dry. If your seal is firmly attached to the door, your dryer is ready for normal operation. Well, congratulations on repairing your dryer. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.